This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at VEVOR. This is their paint sprayer. So max working pressure is 3000 PSI for those who are curious. You have your standard on and off button on the top. It does take a 3-prong outlet. Very heavy duty ground cable wires. What I love about this unit is it's small, it's portable, and you can use it with a power station. Now, I do recommend a power station, probably about 650 watts, maybe higher, depending on the pressure that builds up. Probably the best would be a 750 watt power station. So this whole unit could be portable. You could take this anywhere. So if you have a business that you work out of your van or truck, no problem. This one here is a 500 watt unit, and if we go ahead and turn this on, you can see there it went up to close to 370 watts. So a 500 watt unit is working, but I'm guessing when the pressure builds up in the line that it might take a little more electricity. But yeah, I just wanted to demonstrate that. It's not good to run this without any cables or lines connected, but I wanted to demonstrate it for you guys just to show you. So down here we have a nozzle. Now you can select this and turn this. So if you're going to be rolling, then you definitely want to have that for the pressure. So turn it to the rolling. If you want it to prime or clean, set it to prime and clean. If you want low spray, low pressure spraying, set it to low. And high spray, set it to high. I love that they add that feature on there as well. Another thing I really love is the tires are actually made of a rubber material. Instead of those knockoff plastic ones that are all plastic, they kind of glide around. These are made of some type of rubber composite material, which I love. So I'm glad that VEVOR went that route. Of course, they give you your cable, not your cable, but your hose, which is nice. Plenty of hose length as well as your mounting brackets, your tools. You have your manual, everything you need, even your spray nozzle. So they give you a spray nozzle as well. Overall, what a nice kit. You also have your prime and your spray lever. So if you want to prime it, keep it straight down like that. Just a very nice unit overall.